In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a row or column from a table in Google Docs. This is a common task that you might often find yourself needing to do when organizing data or refining the layout of your document. It's straightforward once you know the right steps, and I'm here to guide you through it, so let's dive in. First, you'll want to open up your Google Doc where you have the table you're working on. You can do this by navigating to your Google Drive, opening your document, and scrolling down to locate the table that contains the row or column you wish to remove. If you have a large document, it might help to use headings or the Table of Contents feature to quickly find the right spot. Once you have your table in front of you, let's move on to the next step. Place your cursor on any cell within the row or column you want to delete. To do this accurately, ensure you are within the boundaries of the table, which you can usually see as lines in your document. Try clicking anywhere in the particular cell that's part of the row or column you're targeting. Clicking inside any cell within this section will work just fine. Now here's where you'll need to employ a little bit of right-click magic. With your cursor in the right cell, go ahead and right-click. You should see a context menu appear. This menu gives you a range of options related to table editing. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with it if you aren't already. It's a handy tool for various adjustments you might want to make in the future. From this context menu, you'll see the choices to delete a row or delete a column. Make sure to select the one that matches your intention. So, if you aim to remove a row, simply click on Delete Row. Likewise, if a column is what you need to get rid of, go ahead and click Delete Column. After making your choice, Google Docs will automatically adjust the table, removing the selected row or column and neatly realigning the remaining data. It's as simple as that. These changes happen in real time, so you can see instantly how your document layout alters with the adjustment. If you make a mistake or delete the wrong part, remember that you can quickly undo your last action by pressing Ctrl+Z on your keyboard or using the Undo option in the toolbar at the top of your screen. And there you have it. A precise and effective way to delete rows or columns from any table in Google Docs. With these steps under your belt, you should feel more confident in managing table layouts in your documents. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips.